This month, I made well over $39,000 in payout trading with Propfirm, and $15,000 of that money came from FundingPips across 5 different payouts. But at the same time, I also lost some funding. I started this month with being max funded with FundingPips. But as I'm making this video, I lost 200K of my funding, so I only have one account with FundingPips, which is 100K. And again, that account is also in drawdown. It's all to say that it's not always blue. Sometimes you can make money, sometimes you can also lose money. But when you trade with Propfirm, when you make profit, the profit can be withdrawn. While if you lose, you are not really like losing money, you are losing your funded account, which doesn't cost you much. This is all to say that trading isn't just about profit. Yes, I did make about $15,000 trading with FundingPips, but I also lost 2 of my funded account because I know that a lot of people will be coming online and talk about only how much money they made, but they will never show you how much they actually lost. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I lost all of those fundings, and I'm also going to show you guys one features on FundingPips dashboard that it has really helped me to actually make that that amount of money. And now that I remember, I think I got a $10,000 payout from FundingPips, which is my very first time getting a 5 figures payout, which was actually this month. So I'm really hyped. So let's get into it. I'm currently on my FundingPips dashboard. As you can see, I have 3 accounts here. I have a 50K and a 100K, and these are phase 1 2-step pro. And yes, I recently started trading 2-step pro. I haven't gotten a payout from it because I didn't pass a 2-step pro yet. And I think 2-step pro is gonna be one of my favorite evaluation program with FundingPips. So this video is not about 2-step pro. That would be another video when I do get a payout from that evaluation program. Okay. And as I said, I was 300K funded, and now you can see that I have 2 phase 1 account. And yes, I'm trying to recover my funding, right? And again, you can see all my account here are in drawdown. And I also have this 100K account. You can see the balance is 115K because my account got scaled up from 100K to 120K. So you can see now I lost about 3.8%, and overall drawdown is 10%. So I still have about 6.2% to lose before I lose the account. So hope me the best that I do recover and get maybe another payout. Okay, and one mistake I made here is that this account 100K here was 5K in profit, but I wanted to go for more payout because the account is a monthly payout. So I thought maybe 5K wasn't enough, so I wanted to trade and make more money. And by wanting to trade and make more money, I'm now losing money, right? Which is, I mean, really sad to see. But what can I do? And my payout is on 12 September, so I really hope that I do recover the losses before 12 September for me to, get payout. And before I come on the chart and show you guys exactly how maybe I lost my account or maybe how I'm not able to make profit, let's say this month. This video is sponsored by Propfirm Match, the tool for traders allowing you to choose the right prop firm for your trading strategy. It lets you compare funding programs, payout structures, rules, see traders review, check discount codes. Whether you are a beginner or trying to scale up, Propfirm Match will help you to make smart funding decisions in seconds. Click the link below this video to sign up, and it's free. One thing I want to show you guys is when you come to this section of FundingPips dashboard. So this section of the dashboard allows you to see the economic calendar of the market, right? So you know that we have high impact news and stuff, and FundingPips doesn't allow you to open or close trade within 2 or 5 minutes of high impact news. So for that, this is actually genius because sometimes you are trading, but you just don't know that there is a high impact news, or sometimes you just forget that there is a high impact news and you just end up opening a trade within a high impact news or closing trade within a high impact news. So with this economic calendar they have here, it allows you to see all of these in advance, and they will show you the ones that are restricted. As in today, I'm making this video is Saturday, so I can't really see the economic calendar of next week. Okay, but you can see here that on Sunday, 31st Sunday here, we have 1 restricted news. So what you can do is right in front here, you have add to calendar, right? So when you click here, you can add to your Google calendar or maybe Apple calendar. It depends if you are using maybe iOS or whatever you are using, but let's use Google in this case. So when you click add to Google, what will happen is you can now add that restricted news into your Google account, okay, your Google calendar, right? And then here you can choose how many minutes you want to be alerted before the news. So let's say if FundingPips doesn't allow you to open or close trade within 10 let's say within 5 minutes or high impact news, or 2 minutes, I don't really know if it's 2 minutes or 5 minutes, you can maybe come here and set it to 10 minutes. So if you do set it to 10 minutes and then you save it, That means on that means when the time of that news come, but 10 minutes before the news, you'll get a notification from Google saying that yes, there is a high impact news that will be happening in 10 minutes. So that means if you're into a position, you can close your position before the high impact news, or if you are planning to enter a position, you getting that uh that notification will allow you to stop taking that position and wait for the news to go before taking the position. And I mean, it's really, really good. I've already had a case where like I'm trading and I didn't know there was a high impact news and I end up losing my account to maybe slippage, or sometimes my profit is deducted because I have traded news. So with this, if you activate for every single, it's simple, right? On Monday you open, you add every single restricted news to your calendar, and then you'll get notified 10 minutes before the actual high impact news, which is really, really good. So now I took this trade on my 120K FundingPips account, and yes, I did hit stop loss twice and I didn't enter again. And this thing, did you see what happened? I would have made crazy amount of money. I'm actually paid still now. So the fact that I lost my funding, should I say is bad luck, or I, I don't know. But one thing for sure is, despite me losing some funding, I end up making $15,000 in payout. It's because I don't trade my account all at once. Let's say if I have 300K account, let's say on Monday I trade one account, on Tuesday I trade one account, on Wednesday I trade one account. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, probably one of the day I may be taking a loss, right? So if I take a loss on Monday, then I know that probably Tuesday I made money, and maybe Wednesday I lost money as well. So at the end of the week, I end up having one account that is in profit. So I have one account waiting for a payout. So the time I'm waiting for a payout, then I can trade the others account that are in drawdown. So this is basically how I do, and it allows me to make sure that every month I do secure a payout. As I'm talking, since January, I've never had a single month that I haven't gotten a payout. Why? Because I trade my account differently. Of course, there are some months I may be losing some funding because maybe one of the account went through a losing streak, but another account where maybe I taking a win, that win will definitely make me money. And one thing about me is when I take a trade, my trade management is so nice because I personally always risk about 1% to 1.5% per trade. And when I take a trade, let's say risking 1%, and then if the risk reward is 7R, for example, I'm making sure I'm making 7% on that trade. So if I'm down, let's say 4%, me having a 7% trade, I'm gonna make about 3% profit. I hope you understand. So it's not because I went through a losing streak that one trade you don't recover. As soon as I hit a win, bro, know that I'm gonna make all the money back and make some profit. So this is basically how I do my things. And as I'm saying, see, I got a bit unlucky because I hit stop loss before price going to TP. And this wasn't like the first time that this thing happened to me. I do remember there was this trade I sent to my signal chart. I didn't take it because I'm on vacation. And yesterday somehow I traded, but yeah, I'm on vacation. So I truly do not want to trade that much, right? But yeah, so this is basically what happened. And I hope you guys have learned something. Follow your trading plan, follow your strategy, follow everything. And please, if you have a lot of funded account, don't trade all of them at once. It's really, really gonna help you. And by the way, if you guys want to trade with FundingPips, make sure you use my coupon code ASTUCEFX. It will give you 5% discount on your first purchase. And if you don't know how to trade, just feel free to DM me. Check the link below this video to join my mentorship, or just come and learn something from me. And I hope you get profitable as well. So see you guys on my next video. If you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe. See you guys.